Bale ito yung St. Mary the Virgin Church. It was founded 1904. Tapos 1907 ginawa siya. But during the World War II, medyo nasira kaya siya na-renovate.
The Church of St. Mary the Virgin is the main Episcopal Church in Sagada Mountain Province. Ito ay tinatayo noong 1904 by American missionaries under the Protestant Episcopal Church in the United States of America, sa pamumuno ni Reverend John Stanton.
It's an Anglican church. Parang ito rin yung pinaka-mother church dito sa Sagada. Halos pareho rin naman po siya sa Catholic. Yung pinagkaiba lang, it's yung pare pwedeng makipag-asawa. Yung mga services is pareho na sa Catholic.
Karamihan sa Pilipinas ay Roman Catholic, pero ang Sagada ay naiiba dahil sila lang ang predominantly Protestant. The American missionaries established an Episcopalian parish in the very early 90s. Ang parish ay nakasintro sa tinatawag nilang mission compound, the Church of St. Mary the Virgin, St. Mary's School at ang sementeryo. Ang building ay single-story na may indigenous architecture. Mayroon itong nice garden seating, keeping harmony with nature.
Yun lang naman yung pinagkaiba. Tapos yung pinakamataas na it's bishop.
Ang Episcopal Church of St. Mary the Virgin in Sagada is a remarkable historical landmark kung saan ating makikita ang indigenous architecture at Christian tradition. Sila lang ang predominantly Protestant dito sa Pilipinas, pero patuloy pa rin ang mga katutubo sa kanilang mga kultura at tradisyon.